So today we have a new product that we just got from the courier. This is the Jetkids Bedbox. It is great for both using it as a luggage for your child, and also it helps make sort of a bed for your airplane rides. So you can see from that picture, that's what it would look like on an airplane. I'm just gonna flip it around here. And here's some more illustrations on how you can use this for airplane rides with your kids. So let's open it. So we're gonna open this now. Take it out of the box. So this is what it looks like. Jetkids. I'm just gonna move this box away. Alright. So to open this Jetkids, there's two orange handles here. You just gotta press on it and open it up. Now, let's take a look inside, see what it comes with. So it comes with a strap, and it comes with a mattress, a small mattress that you can use on the plane. And then there is an instruction manual and some stickers that your kids can use to customize your luggage. Now the great thing about this again is that not only can you use it as kind of a bed for your airplane rides, but you can also use it as a luggage. And so let's see how much stuff you can fit in. So of course you got the mattress. And then let's say your kid wants to bring a blanket. Put it in here. Still got some room. We're gonna see if we can fit in a pillow. Perfect. And you still got a little bit of room for maybe like a sweater or like some books or toys. Just put it on top. So there is ample space. In addition to the storage space in the luggage, you also have a little bit of storage space on the lid. See, you can put some toys here as well. Here I can fit in a bunny. So overall, there's storage space for your kids, just for their blanket, their pillow, and a few toys. If you don't want to bring a blanket, you can add, of course, more toys or even some clothing here as well. So here is a sample setup of what it could look like when it's against a chair. We don't have an airplane chair, so we're using our sofa. So you get the idea. You basically flip the lid upside down. You put it back into the two pegs. The instruction is actually here. It's very clear instructions. So you can just follow this. There are two straps here. You're gonna have to strap it onto the chair. Again, the illustrations will show you. You pull this part out to extend it for your kid's legs, and then you unwrap the mattress. There's two soft barriers here to hold the kid in, and your kid can relax, sleep during a long airplane ride. So here's what it will look like. Now the last bit is that this luggage is a lot of fun for kids because they can actually ride it around the airport while you guys are waiting for your flight. So in conclusion, you can purchase these Jetkids bed boxes on the Jetkids website, or check your local kids or baby stores, see if they carry them. I do want to note that it is important that you do check the Jetkids website because it has a list of airlines that will allow you to use the bed box. I believe that some airlines will not allow for these bed boxes, and it's also under the discretion of their airline attendants if they will allow you to use the bed box on their flights. So to be safe, check the website or even call the airlines to see if they will allow for these bed boxes to be used. Happy travels!